Hi, my name is John Hui. I'm an artist. I'm working with Class 101 to bring you a class where I'll be teaching you my way of creating captivating black and white gouache mixed media portrait paintings. We will go through the fundamentals on painting techniques, anatomy of the face, and how to use paint creatively. The class will be split into 3 parts. 1, creating concepts. 2nd, understanding anatomy and value. And also the 3rd one will be creating 3D elements. With the class, you'll be provided with easy to follow step-by-step walkthrough on all of these areas. But why Class 101, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. We know how frustrating it is when you just can't get your artwork to look exactly like how the online classes look because the materials are so different. So with Class 101, you'll be sent the exact art supplies or the closest depending on your location right to your doorsteps. And also you'll be able to interact with the tutor, that means me, to get immediate feedback. Also, you can share your progress with other fellow students and interact with each other. There's also another feature on this platform. You'll only be able to access the classes within a time period. And when that time period is up, the class will expire. So if you struggle to stay motivated to learn online, this might help you to feel the need to finish a course on time. Sounds good? Well, now I need your support. In order for this class to go forward, we'll need 200 signups. And if you sign up now, you'll get an early sign-up discount, which is $25. With this class, our goal is to build a world where everybody can do what they love. If you share this belief, please send this to your friends and family. This might help them find their passion. I hope that you'll join us, and I can't wait to see you there.